Zoom, इसको देखो. Zoom, इसको देखो.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू कोलकाता फैशन वीक. सुबह से सोच रही हूँ कि इस लाइन के बाद मैं आपसे क्या बोलूंगी, पर जब कोलकाता फैशन वीक के बारे में सोचती हूँ तो वहीं अटक जाती हूँ. And then all that I can think of is all the clothes that the famous designers have designed and the models have worn. शायद आज के शो में आपको कुछ ऐसे आउटफिट्स मिल जाएं जो आपके बजट और आपके स्टाइल दोनों को परफेक्टली सूट करें. So stick around because we'll be back soon with garments that are someone else's vision and your idea of fashion. Welcome again. आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे collections of those designers who set the ramp on fire with their fairy designs on day 3 and 4 of Kolkata Fashion Week. Coming up first is Anjana Bhargav. Life के planned, constructed, boring routine में कुछ chaos के रंग in her signature style, followed by works of some upcoming indigenous talent from Bengal.
I have called it molten brown, and there is a hint of brown in every outfit practically. But I've experimented with a spectrum of colors that normally do not mix and match. Like normally cobalt blue and brown would not be a combination. So I've experimented with colors and combinations. I've also used a deconstructed construction technique where we've pleated the garments more than actually stitched them on a pattern. So that's another new innovation. They're all trendy, yet they are very, very wearable, and they are something that will make a statement every time you wear them. The nice part about the outfits is that you can accessorize them the way you choose. You can wear it with a different necklace, a different bangle, a different scarf, and you will be able to get a lot of mileage out of them.
Ladies and gentlemen, Anjana Bhargav along with the very sexy Anushka Dandekar.
With me right now is the gorgeous Anusha.
Today I had a great time with Anjana because I'm wearing one of her creations, and believe it or not, Anjana, because of her, I attended the Fashion Week the first time this year because I didn't go to any of the shows. I was not available at all to go anywhere, and you know, when she asked me to come here to Kolkata, I was more than happy to. And as you can see, my gown is absolutely stunning, and so is the jacket that I wear over it. It's a really classic look. It's so me, and I love it.
No more is India the land of villagers and snake charmers. Traditional Bharat is graduating to become modern India. और इसे शोकेस करेंगे अपने ट्री ऑफ लाइफ कलेक्शन में अभिषेक दत्ता. बट मॉडर्न इंडिया में भी ओरिजिनल आर्काइव कल्चरल रूट्स को एग्जिबिट करेंगे कैलकाटा सिस्टर डुओ मोनापाली के डिजाइन्स.
Entire theme Back to the Roots inspired me quite a bit. The theme was called Tree of Life, which I was focusing on the modernization, which there's a lot of chaos which is happening with the modernization. So people want to go back to their peaceful life, the simplicity which used to prevail before. So it's the entire collection speaks a story about that.
Ladies and gentlemen, Abhishek Datta and along with him, Rituparna Ghosh and Sonal Chauhan.
Did you choose this outfit that you're wearing?
Well, yes, not like I chose out of quite a few outfits, but yes, I wanted to see my outfit before I walked the ramp, and I saw this one and I loved it immediately, and I think it's gorgeous.
Rano is red velvet and with the vase. Its main thing is to create a marriage ceremony here.
Did you choose this outfit for yourself? Did you go through the collection of Sumitra Da?
I didn't really get a chance to, but I think I didn't have I wouldn't say no, because I think whatever the other models were wearing was also fantastic. So I think whatever he gave me was.
Would you be able to describe the outfit to us?
I think this is a very bridal. The color is red and maroon, so I think it's got a lot of work on it. So it's a perfect bridal wear.